Welcome to G51EDU and our Entrepreneurial Venture Series. Today's venture vignette analyzes FloSports, a company founded in 2006 based out of Austin, Texas. FloSports has created an over-the-top network which streams live sports, premier events, original video programming, and weekly studio shows to help connect fans to the sports they love. We're highlighting FloSports because their mission is to grow sports, athletes, and fans through a unifying platform. They leverage technology and market trends in their go-to-market strategy, and they've effectively positioned themselves apart from large competitors.
The team formed because my brother was working with Madhu Venkatesan, who is one of our co-founders, actually at my father's company, and they wanted something, wanted to do something big, wanted to do something, more than they were doing. And so they convinced me that, hey, we should start in wrestling and I should start in track and we should, start FloSports. And, it was a great team, and what my recommendation to team, when you're building a team, is that it is going to be hard. And you need to have someone that you can trust. You need to have someone that you can disagree with, because you are going to get punched in the face on a daily basis. You're going to get a ton of no's, and you need a great team to support that and to believe in it. Obviously, me starting it with my brother, we definitely have that relationship where we trust each other, but you need to have that trust and you need to go into it with wide eyes. It ain't going to be easy. It is going to be a grind, and you're going to get a lot more no's than yeses.